It's Samy Bee, and today we are doing a fun little Valentine's Day themed video. Should I maybe do that with that in the background? I've never been really more excited for Valentine's Day than I have been this year. I have no explanation as to why that is. So, without further ado, what are we doing this episode, Samy Bee? Today we are making my parents and my brother a nice little Valentine's Day gift package. You'll see. It's just a really cute idea for someone if you just want to say thank you. You could do this for, like you said, your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, cousin, literally anyone, your grandma, your grandpa, coworker, your male person, like anyone who, you know, means something to you. I mean, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, like anything, literally anything. So I'm gonna show you a nice, inexpensive-ish way to just celebrate somebody on the day because I think it's really cute. One thing I didn't get that I would probably recommend doing is, you know, those little Valentine's Day cards, and they're just like small and it just says like to and from, and it's got like a Disney character or a bee, and it's like be mine, and it just says like Happy Valentine's Day. Do you remember those when we were like kids, and then you would put them on you would make like envelopes, and then you would like put them in everyone's envelope? Do you remember that? Actually, wait, I have a pink shirt on, so I might as well flaunt the shirt. Yeah, I'd recommend getting those, but I didn't, and I probably won't. Oh, is Cicely coming to join? Here's the gift bags that we're using. I just found these at Dollarama. I got those with these red twist ties. Okay, I got a lot of stuff for the gift bags. So basically what I did was I went to Bulk Barn for the majority of the stuff, and then Dollarama for the last couple things. Alright guys, so I am going to just do an overall view of everything that I'm going to stuff these little bags with, and then I'll show you me stuff in the bags. So I got this from the dollar store, which is, oh no, this is actually from Safeway. This is a variety pack. We got Arrow, Turtles, and After 8. I thought it was flavored coffee, but it's actually hot chocolate. But I think that they're gonna enjoy it. And I'm gonna say my mom does not like sweets, so she probably won't like a lot of this stuff. But I try to get like a few things that she might like these pink pistachios, you know, like that's a little bit healthier and plus like pink themed. I got the pink pistachios. I got these little Hershey chocolate. I've never tried a lot of this stuff, so I'm actually gonna sample it too to see if I like it. This is actually for my salad. I forgot about that, so I'm gonna put that in my fruit bowl. I got this like kind of an oriental mix, but I think it was like barbecue flavored, so it looks really good. I got a Chicago mix. It's like nacho cheese and caramel. I don't know, it looked good, so I thought I got more than this, but apparently not. I got some ranch corn nuts. Mostly I think these are for me. And then I got coffee beans, chocolate covered coffee beans. I'm gonna throw little things like this fruit roll up, Gushers, and I think for my dad some Chips Ahoy. It's kind of cool if you like kind of customize them for the person. So little mini Chips Ahoy. I think that should be good. So now what we're gonna do is take our bags, see what they even look like. Woo! There's a lot in here. We gotta do a taste test too. It's so hard to get my face and what I'm doing. So now you just got boobs. That's probably what the majority of you want, but no. Not this kind of channel. And if it was, why are we not at 1,000 subscribers yet, huh guys? Uh-oh. Okay. I just want to try. Okay, wait. I need like a handful of like everything. Okay. Not the worst. Not the worst. Not the worst. Good for that one. And then more in this one. Sorry, this is hard to do and film at the same time. One bag done. Okay, so now that I have the popcorn, I'm just gonna do like 3 little tight twists And then use the little cute twist ties for the little bags. This is exciting. I am so excited. Like I said, I've never done this before. I don't know why I want to do it this year. So we have 1 and 2 popcorn. Okay, next thing we're gonna do is the coffee beans. Now, I did get a little extra because I think I might want some for myself. Taste test. I'm doing 3. I used to eat these when I was in college because I don't really fucking like coffee. I would just get wired off of these. I think this is a really cute idea. I can't even see. I am so excited that I'm doing this. You know, like, I don't know. I just want to show my love and appreciation for my family this Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day is about love, not just, you know, like sexual partners. It's about like loving yourself, loving your friends, loving your family, loving your bus driver, loving whoever makes a difference in your life. You know what I mean? Next thing we're doing, pistachios. The pink pistachios. Pink pistachios. I really should just show my face because I literally did my makeup today just for this video, so I'm just gonna try to hold it up for you guys. Oh, they are salted. Good. I'm like, who the fuck eats plain pistachios? No thank you. 1 pistachio. Okay, so hold on. We didn't sample this yet. Ready for the crack? Okay, ready? That was like lightly salted. I wonder if the squirrels would like this. Outside? No, fuck, the ones inside. Duh. It's getting dark. Okay, hurry up, Samara. I'm trying! I'm trying! Shunny! If there's enough, I'm gonna keep some for myself. Because these were actually really good. I didn't think they were salted, and I was like, well, whatever, they're pink. It's on theme. I could have probably just looked at the ingredients, but like, who's got time for that? Oh yeah, I'm feeling some salt at the bottom ones. Yeah, unfortunately, I don't think there's enough for me, so I'm just gonna break open the bottom. Love how you can't see what I'm doing. Oh, listen. All that salt. Oh. Ah! 1 fell! Man down! My cat's probably like, what is going on in there? I'm like a squirrel. Nom nom nom. 6 o'clock and I still have to edit this video. And meal prep and film that. Girl, who's got time for that? Plus, there's like 3 things I kind of want to work on the house with tonight. So that's like a lot of stuff. Okay, next we're doing that weird barbecue mix. So I'm gonna grab like a couple different, there's like even corn nuts in here. Different shaped items. I thought I saw peas. Oh yeah, or what is it? Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seed and oh. Ah! That's loud. That was a nut. Me likey. Yeah. My dad will love this. These are so good. I recommend this one from Bulky. I sure hope they like this. I mean, realistically, it's kind of the thought that counts. Because like I said, I've never done this for them or like anyone before. But I don't know. I'll show you a little bit down here since you've been seeing my face for a while. See what I'm doing. Like, what is this crazy nut even doing? Okay, I'm saving like this much for myself. Hardly a meal. I think we're on to the last thing, which is these Hershey things. Whatever you call them. I don't know, actually. I'm so excited to try these, so. Are you ready? Are you ready for a taste test? So this is what they look like. It literally says Hershey's. Okay. That's what I wanted to see. Oh, fuck. Oh my god. Ah! I should have got an extra scoop. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. These are so good. Have you guys ever tried? I've never even seen these before. My lights are strobing. Sometimes it's more appetizing to like look at what you're eating. Aw, that one doesn't have as many. That first one was real. Okay, one more. Pretty good. Let's divvy these up. You did not just hear me set a handful aside. You didn't. Because you didn't see anything. You didn't see anything. That was really good. That was fantastic. Man, I'm not gonna be hungry for dinner. You know what I could go for dinner? McDonald's cheeseburger. I was like doing so good on my January diet. Like, I wouldn't call it a diet, but I was eating really healthy and really good, and I don't know. Anyways, yeah, I lost like 0.8 pounds, and I was like, you know, so I got all this candy. I'm like, you know, fuck it. I don't eat candy. I don't lose any weight. So let's just say fuck it. Life's too short anyway, so. Whew, we're almost there, guys. We're almost there. There we have it. We have all of our bags twist tied, ready to go. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab one of these. I'm hoping that they'll fit. And basically, okay, I'm gonna just experiment here. I'm going to put the little Hershey guys, that delicious Chinese mix, pistachios, popcorn, or maybe I'll do the coffee beans next, and then popcorn. Oh my god, you like literally can't see. Ah! Popcorn. Okay, that's kind of all in here, right? And then like, so say this is my brother's. I'm pretty sure he would appreciate like a bag of Gushers, so I'm gonna do it with the label facing out. And maybe a fruit roll up because, you know, it's fun being a kid. And there's my brother's bag. So I'm going to squeeze that in there if I can. Tighten that up. Grab one of these. Well, there we go. There is one Valentine's Day goodie bag. I am so excited for them to get them. So this is my brother's. It'd be cute if I had a little bow or something, but I don't think I do. So this is his. Also, I just discovered these mini Buenos. Best fucking discovery I've ever had. I was actually saving this one, but I'm gonna put it in my dad's one because I think he would really appreciate that. So I'm gonna shove that in there. And there we have my dad's. Oh yeah, I was gonna throw some of these Twix in them too. Well, just, and these. There's like literally not enough room. I wonder if I could do like a second little bag. Hold on. Oh god. Okay, so here are the 2 goodie bags, differentiated by the small little snacks I added in. And then for my parents, I got them very cheap bottle of wine, but it looks expensive. And it's red on theme, and then I decorated it with this little shoelace. So I wasn't gonna do this, but it kind of makes sense to do this. Is to put it in there. I might just take that decoration off then, because it's probably gonna get lost in translation. And then I could throw in a couple little Twix. And like they all live in the same house, so like they can share their treats. So there's some Twix, labels facing out. And then I don't know if I can twist tie it. I will try. It's getting so dark. Oh god, I don't think that's gonna fit. That's fine. Anyways, and there's my parents's. Oh yeah, I forgot to add these in, so I'm gonna throw in. Oh shoot, I shouldn't have opened it. I should have just threw the box in, because I just opened the box. But oh no, they are kind of cutely decorated. Okay, so I'm gonna throw that in with the wine. Oh my god, that just ripped the bag. Arrow. I'm gonna throw that. Literally all you have is a boob shot, and honestly I don't think any of you are complaining, but I'm not here to do that. And after 8. Don't mind the sound of my cat. I don't know what she's doing upstairs. Anyways, this is the finished product. So I threw in some of the hot chocolates in my parents' wine one, but I mean my brother can, but he doesn't really do wine. So my brothers, my dad's, and mom's. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun to make, and if you guys make it, tag me in your photos. This was a really nice thing to do for people you love, so enjoy!